this was a big deal for me. It's the biggest thing I've ever done. And I wanted someone that I felt a connection with, a one-on-one. And when I came here, meeting with Dr. Sessa, speaking with him and the staff, I knew this is where I wanted a more personalized service. And I feel I got that here. And that's why I came back and again and again. And I just believe in him. I didn't like the way that I was aging. When I looked in the mirror, I was starting to see an old lady look back at me, and I said I was never going to look old. And there's alternatives now when I came here. And met with Dr. Sessa. He put me at ease right away. I felt I could trust him. And he put his hands on my face and he just went like this, and he said, "Is that what you're looking for?" And I said, "Yes." And he said, "Well, we can do that." And I said, "Let's do it," and we did. And it's the best thing I've ever done. I had it done over 5 years ago. I have a lot more confidence in myself. I would do it again, and I just feel good about it. On my 60th birthday, my husband asked me, what did I want? And I said, a boob job. And he said, a boob job? I says, yeah. He says, at your age? I says, yeah. He says, you told me after you had your face done, you weren't going to do anything else. And I said, well, I had my face done for everyone to see. The boobs are for me. He says, if that's what you want, do it. So that was my 60th birthday present. And very happy with the outcome. And last year, I've been dieting up and down, and I had loose skin on my belly. No matter what I did, it wasn't going away. And I came in here and I asked Dr. Sessa, do you think I'm too old to have a little nip tuck? And he said, absolutely not, Robin. He says, you're healthy. He says, you're attractive. You want to keep going with this. He says, go see my nurse in the desk and we'll make an appointment. And I did. And I said, all 3 procedures, everything was great. And I'm happy I did all of them. And if there's anything else out there, I would do something else, because I'm going to make myself look as good as I can for as long as I can. And I have a doctor now that I trust with my life. And he's just a very caring doctor, and that's why I keep coming back to him. I wouldn't let anybody else touch me. I have sent many of my friends here, and everyone's been happy with the results and with the doctor. They're very impressed with his bedside manner, and he really makes each patient feel that he cares about them. When I had my face done, just the first night, I remember icing it. I got up in the morning. I felt absolutely fine. I drove myself in the next morning to see the doctor, because he checks you the next day, and he said everything looks fine. And I went to Walmart from here. I never took any pain pills. I had no discomfort at all with my face, nothing. Not one thing was I not allowed to do or had to wait to do it. I had some bruising here, and that was it. And like I said, that went very smoothly. When I had my second procedure done, I would say the first night I was very uncomfortable, because you wear something around you and it's tight. So that was just uncomfortable. That's about all I could say about the procedure. And once I came back here the next day, when he took that corset off, it was fine. And very uneventful. That was like nothing. That was absolutely nothing. It was easier than my face. The third thing I had done, my little, I call it my nip tuck. I think I was a little sore, like to get out of bed. You couldn't just get up. I would have to roll up. And I'm going to say within a week, I was just normal. I had to make myself remember that I had something done, so as not to lift something up or to do something, because when you feel about it, you think you can do everything. And that's really how I was. I never had any complications. Everything went well. And of course, I think because of the doctor. I know you can't stop the aging process, but I call this my little daylight savings time trick. And it just doesn't stop you from aging, but it just turns back the hands of time for at least 10 years. And it just works. It's the biggest thing I've ever done for myself, but it's the best thing. And if anyone's thinking about doing something like this is the place to go, and Dr. Sessa is the doctor to see, because it really works.